I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
Do I need to put a leash on your ass? Come on, let's go, dawg. You gonna make some paper, Lo, and ain't nobody out here gangbanging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie. She wants me dead anyway so she can get the fucking house.
I told you to quit talking shit about your auntie, Loco. That's my bitch. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you. You driving.
Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van. Good dog.
Go up Vinewood Boulevard.
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Man, fuck this, man. You seen Tanisha?
She's straight. It's me and you that ain't straight, though, homie.
Dog, I know, homie. But look, I met this contact, this white dude. Real serious dude, man. This motherfucker know the streets, homie. I know he'll be a good hookup for us.
We don't need no hookup, fool. I know these streets.
You know these streets. Man, all you know is dime bag hustling, credit card stealing. Boosting gas tankers, homie? Come on, man. You trying to be some fucking commodity trader? You trying to be some fucking commodity trader or something?
Fool, that shit went up, man.
Look, homie, I don't mind dying, you feel me? But I just want to die with something that matters, homie. That's what foreign gangsters should really be about.
And I know this much, the motherfucking OGs ain't even giving a fuck about us, though.
Man, fuck the OGs then. You know what I'm saying? Fool! This ain't no motherfucking pyramid scheme.
Wait, hold on. Listen to your boy one time. Listen to your boy. You want some paper, my nigga? This is what it's about. Check it out. I'm talking about 40,000. No problem. Cash in hand, 2 days time, no killing, nothing.
No, just starting another beef with the fucking ballers, nigga. That's Class A felony bullshit.
We gonna keep our disguise on. Ain't nobody gotta know it was us.
Yeah, whatever, homie. We'll see about that.
He down this alley up here.
Hey, what's up, boo? Ain't you little Laida's cousin?
Yeah.
Damn, you short with it? I was just saying, I was trying to holler at
And you ain't hollering at nothing over here.
Why has it gotta be like that? I'm an OG.
And OG, so what? So the fuck what, nigga? It's a million OGs
Well,
over
shit,
here.
how about I put one of these little X pills up your ass crack? Next thing you know, you're gonna be begging for it, boo-boo.
That's disgusting.
What's happening now, D-man? Ain't no fun if the gangsters can't have none.
Man, fuck you, Mark. I ain't sharing no ass with the CGF.
Ain't nobody sharing nothing.
Man, shut the hell up,
fuck
bitch.
you, nigga.
Man, fuck y'all. Hey, ain't there a law against you mark-ass gangsters, insignia, mask-wearing motherfuckers?
Oh, so what's up now, nigga? You snitching or something,
Oh,
nigga?
shit.
Bitch-ass nigga.
Fuck you, nigga. I'm out of here. Fuck y'all,
Get that
bitch.
nigga. Come on, let's go. Go, get in the van.
You see what he driving? Man, we in a van, motherfucker. We fucked.
On gangster, we got this.
Hold on, Chop.
We losing it. He leaving us behind, fool.
What the fuck you say something for? We could've creeped up on this nigga.
You seeing yourself, Franklin? You's a big black motherfucker, nigga. Your creeping days is over. Do that weird, like, focus shit you do.
Hey, why we choose this mark, homie?
I don't know. It's an opportunity. Why not?
Man, I don't know. We just chasing a bitch? I thought it might have been for a reason.
40,000, nigga. That's the reason.
Next time, we going after the motherfucker in the car, all right? All these punk-ass bikes. If we snatching this dude, we snatching his ass right. Remember the homies around the block?
Man, the homies is lame.
Yeah, so we not. Cops on their cell phone as soon as they made the ransom call. Triangulated the signal. Ghetto birds.
Shit!
Ghetto birds all over the place. Surveillance, my nigga.
Oh, shit. Damn. He got fucked up. Man, take Chop. Go get that fool.
Nigga, you just sitting your ass there with your feet kicked up. Come on, Chop. Come on. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Get him.
You smell like shit.
I don't want to hurt you, and you don't want to get hurt, dog, so be still. Perpetrate, motherfuckers! The ransom's still the same, even if you got a bite taken out of your ass. Hey, how the fuck you end up with your dumb ass owner, man? And how the fuck did I? At least I'm getting a workout. Hey, get it! Get it! Fuck! Come on, boy. Find that fool. Sniff him out, Chop Chop. Lead me to him. He hiding in that train, boy. Come on, smell that stinky motherfucker. Give it up. Fuck, not this one. You got a whiff of him, Chop? You in here? Shit, this motherfucker empty. Where he at, Chop? Where he at? Where is he, boy? Come on, where is he? We in this together, Chop. Let's go. Hey, where you going, boy? No, man. That ain't what we after. Down, boy. You better not be fucking when I... Shit, Chop. Man, that's a dude, dog. Your little nasty ass ain't picky, is you? Come on, Chop. Get off there, man. We got shit to do. This ain't time for humping, Chop. Come on, man. Lamar sure ain't been training your ass, has he, boy? Get back on that fat motherfucker, Chop. Sniff him out. Put him up. You scared of dogs, nigga? Oh, shit! Screw that dog, man! Don't hump him. Bite his ass, Chop. Get his ass. Fuck you, son of a bitch! That bitch just fucking bit me, man! Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, get over here. Oh, shit! What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CGF. Cause maybe we doing our own thing. What the fuck,
Get the
man?
fuck in the fan, punk. Shit.
Hey, Lamar Davis, is that you, nigga?
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Just get in.
Yeah, that's you, nigga. Fucking idiot. Shit, I said I had no beef, man. Shut the fuck up. Man, what the fuck? Get this fucking dog away from me.
Come on.
Fuck. Hey, if you don't train Chop, he gonna be a lost cause like you, dog.
We gonna stash this dude at my spot.
We going back to your crib? I've been there when you was in diapers.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
Keep your eyes on the road. I knew it was you before you took that flag off. You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot your ass when we pick up our 40 stacks.
You ain't gonna pick up shit. Feds gonna be on you before you can even move, nigga.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call. We got your boy.
You calling them on a cell phone, you dumb motherfucker? They gonna trace this shit in a second.
We want 40,000. It's pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
What the fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here. Oh, damn! Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone.
What the fuck?
Fuck you!
I'll be seeing y'all soon.
The only reason you been seeing shit cause we went easy on your ass. Remember that, dog.
Oh, you owe me a bite too, you motherfucker.
This some bullshit. Take me down the cut.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone.
A good phone? The cops was all over, nigga.
I could have swallowed my card. Try to triangulate that.
It's too late, shit's done. At least I saved you the indignity of pulling apart your shit.
All right, motherfucker.
You the motherfucker. You better watch out for them ballers. They gonna be on you now. The cops gonna be on your ass too.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. I'm a motherfucking gangster. You know how I do. I can take care of my sizzle.
No, the fuck you kids ain't.
It's the DRE, it ain't nothing but mohawk shit. Another classic scene. Cooling on the corner with your fly bitch. Lay back in the shack, play this track. I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. I'll break your neck, damn near put your face in your lap. Niggas try to be the king, but the ace is back. So